Hi guys, welcome to Tune Basics, the series that teaches you how to play the basics. Today, we'll be taking a good look at one of the greatest love songs ever written, which is the song My Heart Will Go On, which was sung by Celine Dion for the most amazing movie ever made, Titanic, and how to play it on a tremolo harmonica with 24 holes. Here is a tremolo harmonica with 24 holes. This tremolo is in the key of C, but don't worry if your tremolo is not in the key of C, it's the whole numbers that are important. If your tremolo is not numbered, then the first hole that produces the lowest note is hole number 1, the second hole is hole number 2, and so on, right up to the last hole, which is hole number 24. You will also notice that each number actually has 2 corresponding holes, but for this lesson, just pretend that there is only one hole and treat them as such. For this lesson, when you see this red arrow, it means blow into your tremolo harmonica. And when you see this blue arrow, it means breathe in through your tremolo harmonica. Got it? Good. Here's what My Heart Will Go On looks like when it's written down in the key of C. And here is how it sounds. C, 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 B, C, C, B, C, D, E, D, C, 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 B, C, C, G, C, 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 B, C, C, B, C, D, E, D, C, 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 B, C, C, G, C, D, G, G, F, E, D, E, F, E, D, C, B, C, B, A, C, D, G, G, F, E, D, E, F, E, D, C, B, C, B, B, C, D, E, D, C, C. Let's take a closer look at phrase 1. Blow into 9 4 times. Breathe in through 8. Blow into 9 twice. Breathe in through 8. Blow into 9. Breathe in through 10. Blow into 11. And breathe in through 10. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 2, blow into 9 4 times. Breathe in through 8. Blow into 9 twice. And blow into 7. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now, phrase 3 is exactly the same as phrase 1. And phrase 4 is exactly the same as phrase 2. So let's move on to phrase 5. Blow into 9. Breathe in through 10. Blow into 7. Blow into 13. Breathe in through 12. Blow into 11. And breathe in through 10. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now for phrase 6, blow into 11, breathe in through 12, blow into 11, breathe in through 10, blow into 9, breathe in through 8, blow into 9, breathe in through 8, and breathe in through 6. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now phrase 7 is exactly the same as phrase 5, so let's move on to phrase 8. Blow into 11, breathe in through 12, blow into 11, breathe in through 10, blow into 9, and breathe in through 8. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 9, blow into 9, breathe in through 8 twice, blow into 9, breathe in through 10, blow into 11, breathe in through 10, and blow into 9 twice. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now try putting all these wonderful phrases together. And there you have it. Hi guys, just wanted to say a big thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also don't forget I've got a store on Amazon. There's a link in the description below. If you're looking for a new instrument, that would be a good place to start. Also I've got links in the description to lots of other things like my Facebook account, my Instagram, my Twitter. I'd love to catch up with you guys there. So until next time, stay tuned.